Hello, welcome. I'm very happy that you came here. I am Mr. Ahmed, a mathematics teacher. I've been teaching math for elementary, middle, and high school for 5 years. I have helped many students not only to understand math, but also love it, and I would like to help you too. I love my job. I really love my job. I can spend hours searching for a technique or a strategy to make the students understand a hard math concept. And I really feel happy when a student tells me, yes, finally I can understand this. That's it. For each and every lesson, I explain everything on a whiteboard using a professional graphic tablet to make it easy for the student to understand as the student were in a real classroom using a pen, and also to save as much time as I can, because 1 hour is not a lot of time, so I have to save you a lot of time to take a lot of things during this 1 hour. And also to make sure that you understand everything we have taken together through the session, I give you a homework at the end of the session. After the end of the session, and I send you a link of the board including everything we talked together, so you can scroll down, find your homework, do it on a piece of paper or on the screen if you would like. After you finish, you send it back to me to check it and to make sure that you understand the lesson and give you my feedback. This is how every session works. And after some sessions, to follow your progress, I make you quizzes so you can know, are you really understanding or not? And now I'm going to show you how this works. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. What are you waiting for? Book your trial lesson and let's get started. Bye bye.